My dear viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Prasenjit. Today I am going to discuss about agreement of the verbs with its subject. First of all, I am going to discuss about agreement in number. We have to discuss agreement in person also. Before learning agreement in number, I have to discuss something. Let us discuss. Primary auxiliaries verb. Verb to be. Simple present tense. We have to use am, is, are. In person, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. First person, I, and the verb we have to use am. In plural, we have to use are, we are. In second person, you have to use are, you are. In plural also. Third person singular, he is, she is, Ram is. Any singular subject, we have to use is. But in plural, if the subject is plural, then we have to use are. Let us focus on simple past verbs, was and were. Person, first, second and third, singular and plural. First person I, we have to use was. If the subject is plural, that is we have to use were. In second person, you were, plural also you were. But if the subject is third person singular, then you have to use was. He was, like she was, it was, Ram was. That means any singular subject we have to use was. But in case of plural, if the subject is plural, then you have to use were. Let us focus on present perfect, that means use of has, have. I have taken the verb do, person, first person, second person, third person, singular and plural. If the subject is first person, we have to use have. And in plural, we have, that means we have to use have, we have. Second person, you have to use have. In plural also have. But in case of if the subject is third person singular, then we have to use has. He has, she has, Raj has. That means subject, if the subject is any singular, then you have to use has. But if the subject is plural, then you have to use have. Let us focus on a very important thing. You know, the number system of verbs. Verbs in singular and in plural. In singular, suppose we have to use comes, goes. That means we have to use s or es with the verb. Here come, the verb is come, we have to use add s. Go, yes. But in plural, come, go. No need to add s, yes. We know that if the last letter y of a verb and before consonant, then y replaces I and we have to add es. As for example, a bird flies. That means the base verb is fly, fly, but instead of y we have to use I, that is flies. We have to add es. Let us focus the subject of today, that is agreement of the verbs with its subject. First one, agreement in number. In my next video, I shall discuss about the agreement in person in detail. Today, we are going to discuss only agreement in number. When the subject is in a singular number, the verb also be in singular number. That means if the subject is singular, the verb also we have to use in singular. Look at this example. You see, he is a singer. The subject is here singular, he. So the verb is also in singular. The second example, the boy writes a letter. Here the boy, the subject is here singular. So the verb also in singular. So we have written here writes a letter. Let's come to this point. When the subject is in a plural number, the verb also be in plural. That means if the subject is plural, then we have to use the verb also in plural. Let us explain with this example. The boys write letters. The subject is here plural, the boys. So the verb also in plural, that is write letters. Next one, we are students. The subject is plural, so we have to use are. Let us focus on this. Two or more nouns in the subject joined by and take a plural verb. That means two or more nouns if joined by and, then take a plural verb. Let us discuss with the help of this example. Jatin and Ratan. These two nouns are joined by and, are classmates. So the verb is here in plural form. That is, we have used here are. Jatin and Ratan are classmates. That means if the subject are joined by and, two subject, that means two or more subject are joined by and, then we have to use the verb in plural form. Let me explain with the help of this example also. Geeta, Sita and Mita are sisters. You see, here Geeta, Sita and Mita. That means three nouns are joined by and comma. That is, so we have to use here are. That is in plural form. In brief, that means if two or more nouns in the subject joined by and, take a plural verb. Let us focus on this. Nouns joined by and but referring to the same person, take a singular verb. That means nouns joined by and but referring the same person, take a singular verb. Let us clear with the help of this example. The poet and writer has died. That means the poet and writer, the same person. So we have to use the verb in singular form. The poet and writer, that means here the same person. Referring here same person. So we have to use the verb in singular form. But in case, you see the example, but the headmaster and the secretary have come here. That is, here the headmaster and the secretary are not the same person. The headmaster and the secretary, they are two persons. That is in plural form. So we have to use here verb also in plural. That is, we have to use here. In my next video, I shall discuss agreement, the verb with the person, and lot of other rules. So keep watching. Thank you very much for watching this video.